y'all, it's me, Sarah. Update on this product here. I did this video last year. Just lower your tone and you can get hit. I'm sorry if this video is loud, like if there are people in the background, and I'm sorry for my, me wearing a bonnet. But I bought this. This is from your local dollar store. The $8 version as well, but that'll be for another video. But I'm just letting you guys know this is gonna be in another video because there's no reason. And I'll be doing 3 parts. I'll be doing this part, and I'll be comparing to see which is better, the cheaper or more expensive. And I'm not gonna lie, I did not want to spend $8. It was like almost $9. I didn't want to spend this, but hey, for YouTube, why not? I'm cheap. I'm not gonna lie, I'm cheap. So be narrowing my eyebrows. I usually have regular nair, but I just bought this today. So I got a little thing in my, damn, I can't speak English. You're gonna take a little bit, even though you need a smaller brush, but it's okay. So, honestly, hopefully it don't look that bad. Good thing I did this, cause I only did it for a little bit because I didn't need to really do my eyebrows. I just wanted to do it so I don't have no like issues. The directions are actually on the inside. This is what it comes in. It comes with the tray. It comes in the colorant, and it comes with the deoxidant. So these 2 packs. This is completely different from last year. Last year it had actual bottles, but this only has these packages, so you can't reuse them. Ooh, difficult. Okay, that's good enough. This is most of it. Mix it. So I'm gonna leave this on for about, we're gonna leave it on for 10-20 minutes. Okay, I think it's about time to wipe this off. What is wrong with you? I'm gonna wipe my eyebrows. Okay, it kind of worked. To the extra few minutes. Okay, so this is my second attempt. So this was a fail because whenever I wipe it, it just wipes away. Like, y'all notice that? Let me try to, can I zoom in? No? Okay. It's not cute. Let's just say that it's not cute. Yeah, it's not cute at all. So this is a fail. This side is like non-existent. There is nothing there. Like this from my brow, I dyed it too much. It'll come off though. After a little bit of soap and water, that junk will be off. Terrible. Sorry y'all, this bond is tight. See this? No sir. So this is a fail, y'all. They updated the whole box. Like, the box was different. If you look back at my other video, you can see it's completely different than this stuff that I got on my eyebrows. I don't know what this is. Did I grab the wrong box? Cause I don't think so. This video, I'm going to be doing this next after this wears off my eyebrows. Stay tuned for this. And yeah, peace.